Hello everyone, welcome to Cook It Up. Today we are making all time and everybody's favorite pav bhaji in a unique style with easily available ingredients. Kindly subscribe and press the bell icon. Peas soak for 8 hours. Pressure cook for 6 whistles. So for this pav bhaji, first we'll take a big kadai. This is cooking oil. Some 5 big spoon of vegetable oil I have taken. These are 4 big onions, garlic and ginger. We'll make a fine paste of this in a mixie. This is the fine paste. So I'll be adding to this oil, which is hot now. See, this is fine paste cooking now. I prefer to make paste of onion also, so then the texture of our bhaji will be very nice. So this has to cook properly in the oil. It may take 5 minutes until it starts leaving the oil. Go on cooking it. I'll add a little bit of turmeric powder to this. All the rawness of the ginger, garlic and onions should be properly gone. For that you have to cook this very nicely. This I have kept on medium high flame. Till then we'll make a fine paste of these tomatoes in the same mixie. I have taken this much of dhania, coriander leaves. I'll be making fine paste along with the tomatoes. See, now this has cooked properly. You can see the oil is separated now. Oil is getting separated. Now we'll add the tomato puree with the coriander. I had taken 4 large tomatoes. So cook the tomatoes also until the rawness goes. Now this is 5 minutes now. I have been cooking this. Now I will be adding one ingredients. First I will be adding salt. This is salt to taste. I have taken 2 teaspoons of salt. Sugar to taste. This is 1 teaspoon of sugar. So let it cook for some more time. Let the salt and sugar get mixed up. The white peas which we had cooked, straining the water to this bhaji of ours. See, you can see they have boiled properly. But I feel we'll put it in a mixie to make a fine smooth paste of this, so that the bhaji will be of a very nice taste and good texture. So this is the paste. Now I'll be adding it to the bhaji. Just 1 round you can put it in the mixie. See, all this is, I have done a coarse paste. Since it is peas, you won't be able to make a very fine paste, and that is not required. So after the peas, you get the texture. Now these are the potatoes, so I'll be mashing it and adding to this. This is the mashed potatoes. See, I've added all the potatoes, all fully smashed. Stir it properly. Cook this again on low flame for about 5 minutes. The main ingredient, red chili powder. I'll be adding, you can add according to your taste. I'm adding this much. This is equal to 4 teaspoons. Again, mix it well. You can see 1 or 2 peas are there which are not smashed properly. That's okay, because we need that 1 or 2 peas. It will be tasting good. And also you can make out that this is pav bhaji out of peas. This is pav bhaji masala, ready-made pav bhaji masala what we get in the market. I've added 2 teaspoons. You wish you can add little more. After mixing this properly, as I said, it is on low flame only. Now after mixing all this, you can see the consistency. It is bit thick, so I'll be adding little bit of water to this. According to your consistency, you can add the water. Add the water after the masala, so that masala gets dissolved in the water and it spreads all over. Add water according to your consistency, because once this bhaji cools off, it will again become thick. So if you keep it now only little bit thin consistency, when it will cool off, you won't require to add water again. See, this pav bhaji is ready to serve now. You can serve it with onions, shaved, and the pav. The fresh pav, I am roasting it little bit with butter for serving.